Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. I'm Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be drawing, what are we going to be drawing?
An ice cream.
We're going to be drawing a delicious triple scoop ice cream. Please subscribe to our channel
3.
and press the bell for notifications. Don't forget, if you
Thumbs up
enjoyed
if
our
you like
tutorial,
us.
yeah, that's what I was about to say. If you enjoyed our tutorial, give us a thumbs up.
If you like us.
If you like us. Shall we get started? Right, what we're going to do is we're going to put the ice cream in the middle, yeah. So about here, yeah, sort of in the middle of the page here, we're going to start, okay? So what we're going to do first of all is we're kind of going to do curly shapes. So I'm going to do a curl, 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 like that. And that's the rough edges of the ice cream scoop. Perfect. Really good. That's it. And then on this side, I'm going to do a curve like that. And then on this side, I'm going to do another curve like that. Now we're doing like a 3 scoop ice cream. So each scoop is going to be a bit smaller than the last one.
If you eat it in one go, you'll have a big brain freeze.
You would have a massive brain freeze, you're right. Okay, so here I'm going to do the same again. Curly, 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 curly loop. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do those curves either side again. And this scoop now is a bit smaller than the other one, yeah? Perfect. And then on the top, I'm going to do another one. The same. Okay, and this one, the curve isn't going to stop there, it's going to stop about there. So I'm going to go round like that. I'm going to do a couple of little cherries, so I'm going to do a circle just there. Okay, and then from here I'm going to join the curve from there to there. And I said I was going to do 2 cherries, so I'm going to do one behind the other
Overlapping.
scoop. Overlapping, that's right. Okay, and then to join the 2 bits up, I'm going to do the little cherry stalk like that. Excellent. Okay, now to do the facial features, we've got 3 different flavours, haven't we? And it'd look a bit boring if we did the same face for each ice cream scoop. So we're going to give them different expressions.
We like to do our own.
Yeah, but I think the good idea is to do 3 different expressions on each one. So first of all, let's do 2 little circles like that. And we do a little smiley face like that. Really cool. I love it.
And the eyes a bit different.
Yeah, no, I like that. I like the reflection on the underside. And do the mouth. So now I'm going to do one winking. So I'm going to do a V on its side like that.
This is how I do it. I do that.
Okay, that's a good wink. Okay, and then on this side, I'm going to do another circle. And then I'm kind of going to do a diagonal line here. And then I'm going to do like a U shape like that. Yeah, and that's it, perfect. Yeah, and do the tongue inside like that. Okay, and now for the bottom one, I'm going to give it big eyelashes. So I'm going to do a curve like that, and then a flick. You do a little flick on the end for the. Yeah, that's it. And do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to do like that. Okay, and now I'm going to give it a little tiny cute mouth just there. Okay, now we've got to do the cone. So the middle of the cone, it's going to be about there, isn't it?
One here.
Yeah.
We can put like a little point.
Yeah, that's it.
We can put like.
And then we're going to do a diagonal line that just curves in and matches up to there. Okay, and we're going to do another diagonal line that matches up to there like that. And I'm going to add one of those little paper sleeves so that you don't get all the ice cream gloop all over your hands. So I'm going to do a diagonal line that way and another diagonal line that way.
But I want to do something now.
Okay. What are you going to do?
I wanted to leave it like this and just do like the design.
Okay, so if you want to do the waffle pattern,
yeah,
you do diagonal lines this way.
Like that.
Yeah, and then do them in the opposite direction. Okay. And now we're done, aren't we? What are you going to add?
I told you I wanted to do something.
Okay, so what are you adding in there? That was pretty amazing. Okay, so you've added the sun in. So shall we start colouring it in?
There's something really cool about the sun.
Oh, is it? Is it going to be in different colours? So let's get colouring in, yeah? Well, what a fantastic drawing. Give us a high five. Wow, I really love the extra things that you put on there. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.